In this video, we're going to focus on the pseudo state of active, and I did some readjustments on the pages right now, so just to make it a bit more appealing and a bit more better. So we have here just a card, I adjust the items, and then we have here a button with the class information. And basically what we want to do with the active class, or sorry, with the target class, is the moment we click on our link here, we should jump basically to the other item, and that item will be highlighted. So let's start and explore this, or how to do this. So the first thing what I want to do here is I want to create a new div, and this div will be another card. We'll put it in here. I'm going to remove this here, and we will put in here some information saying this is the information card. This is, and I'm going to remove this. Here will be information card, and we say here ID equals information, and then of course here column of quotations, put in here, and this is the information card. What we're going to do is we're going to copy this multiple times. There we are, closing paragraph, and there we are. So once we save this, refresh, we have now our information card here. That looks quite nice. We should maybe have a HR here below just to give it a bit more design. Alright, so we have this. That looks nice. So we have this here now, and what we want to do here basically is this. The moment we click on the information button, we should highlight, and if this information card is not visible on the screen, we should click on it and jump to that part, and also highlight this part. Alright, so how can we do this? Well, basically the following. What we can do here is we will say here the target, and with this target class, once we click on it, the target will eventually be highlighted, which will be this one here, and it could be like the information, the ID of the target. We could do that as well, it doesn't matter so much. We can do it maybe in general of every target. So we say here this, and then we say here color will be yellow, and let's check, refresh, and then the moment we can see here right now we are already at the target, and then the moment we click on target, we are here, and you can see this already jumps immediately without even responding to it. And what we really want to do is that we want to respond this too. So we say here the following. And after checking, I realized, okay, what's the reason here? Of course, what was the issue was, of course, the moment we click on this, we're already here on. This is why it's become highlighted. So we're going to remove this. Then when we remove this and we click on this, you can see now, then it becomes a color. So we don't have to do even this here. This is redone unless you don't want that this target is being yellow, or you want only one specific one yellow, but maybe you have another item that will become blue. But however, this is a quite common style, so let me put in some other divs here. And this div is not our info card, it's just a normal card. We say this is a normal card, and what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this a few times. No, what happened here? I need to make sure that this is correct. Alright, and now I'll copy it just a few more times. And there we are. So we have now many cards, and if we refresh here, you can see our cards are all at the bottom, and the information card is here. So the moment we click now here, you see immediately we jump down, and then we have here the link, and it becomes yellow. And of course, we can do one of these normal cards as well. So we can say here an ID, and then we can say here normal card. And then what we want to do here is, let's say, create a new button. Say normal card, that's the ID, and then this is normal. The moment we do that, refresh, remove this link here, you can see here, once we click on normal, the normal card becomes yellow. Once we click on information, the information card becomes yellow. So with this, you can highlight certain items here to ensure that this becomes more valuable, or a clear way to pinpoint certain values, especially for A menu navigation, this is a very common method where you have a menu. When you click on one, that will become highlighted eventually together with the text. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.